I am here today sa Omaha Beach. Just behind me, yan yung monumento na dinedicate nila sa mga nagbigay ng kanilang buhay, nagbuwis ng kanilang buhay dito sa isa sa pinakamakasaysayan na lugar dito sa France. You know, I just wanted to share with you something a little bit more personal about this place. You know, isa ito sa pinakagusto sanang mapuntahan ng tatay ko, no? Very few people knew na bago maging sundalo ang tatay ko, he was a teacher. Would you believe? Yes, teacher siya. And he was a history teacher. So, gustong-gusto niya yung mga history, no? Gustong-gusto niya yung mga kasaysayan, yung origins of, you know, what is today. You know, paano nangyari na ganito ang buhay ngayon, and you know, the heroes of the past. Yan, mga gusto niya yan, lalo na pagdating sa history ng Pilipinas. He's like a library. Dahil sobrang hilig niya pagdating sa, you know, military subjects, you know, isa ito sa lugar na sana gusto niyang puntahan for a very, very, very long time, but it never happened. He was hoping to visit this place, pero he passed away before seeing this place. What I wanted to share with you is, I remember nung kanyang 70th birthday, he was requesting something for me, and he wanted me to do yung kanyang banner for his birthday. You know, dahil he knew that I was a, you know, graphic designer, and that's the kind of stuff that I do. And ang problema, tinatamad ako nung mga panahon na yun, no? I was hearing him. I said, okay, I'll do it, but I didn't, and I had no excuse whatsoever, no excuse para tanggihan siya. But I was just taking him for granted. Yun lang ang explanation, wala nang iba. No, hindi dahil mahirap o dahil wala akong panahon, hindi. I was just, you know, like most people, thinking, okay na yan, I'll do that another day, I'll do that some other time. Just taking him for granted, without knowing na yun na pala yung huli niyang birthday. And you know, he would never be able to celebrate 71st. Alam mo, naaalala ko yun, and I know na somehow nagkaroon siya ng disappointment, no? Dahil naglalambing lang naman siya sa akin, and the fact that hindi ko siya binigyan ng importansya nung panahon na yon for something that is so small, something that I would have done maybe, you know, in 30 minutes, you know, talagang, but I took him for granted, and now when I think about that, lagi ko naaalala yun, yung pagkakataon na I should have given my best pala dahil it was the last. And being in this place, hindi ko mapigilan na maalala yung tatay ko na ito yung isang lugar na gustong-gusto niyang marating dahil nga sa kanyang passion for history. And as a military man, this was something that is close to his heart. And I would have loved to see yung kanyang itsura, no? Being here, looking at all these monuments, yung mga very important sites nung D-Day, nung World War. I would have loved to see that, you know, more than the beautiful and meaningful places. I would have loved to see his face. But no matter what I do, no matter how much I want that, I cannot bring him here anymore. And that is something that wala na. And the reason why I am sharing this with you is because I know we are all guilty of taking people for granted, especially yung ating mga magulang, no? When they want something from us o naglalambing sila, the problem is we think, tatay ko lang naman yan, nanay ko lang naman yan, why would I, make the effort, di ba? Tsaka isa pa, nandyan lang naman yan, si tatay, si nanay, nandyan lang naman. The matter is, we don't know. And today may be the last. So, I would just encourage any one of you na nakikinig sa akin ngayon, nanonood ng short video na to. Think about the people na sobrang close sa puso nyo. And particularly, I really want to bring this home and really think about your parents. Think about your nanay, your tatay, because they will not be here permanently. And a time will come, you will wish sana nandito sila, but that's the only thing you could do. Wish. Pero wala na. We can build monuments like these, Kita niyo yan? Yung mga monumento na mga binibigay ng mga gobyerno, no, para bigyan sila ng respeto yung mga nagsakripisyo na sundalo, mga nawala na. We can do that para sa ating mga magulang, no? Give them honor. Magpagawa tayo ng statwa, kung ano man. But they will never really feel kung ano yung sana naramdaman nila when they were still alive. And going back to my story with my father, yung banner na yun na sana ginawa ko, it would have brought him much joy. But I did not. Think about the people you're taking for granted, particularly your parents, particularly your father, your mother, because one day, they will be gone.